I am dolphin. I can swim. I have got fin. I communicate with others by whistles.
I am turtle. I have got shell to protect myself. I can swim and walk. I have got 4 legs.
I am snake.
I haven't got any legs. I drag along the ground. I have venom.
I am crab. I have got 2 pincers. I can walk backwards. I have got 8 legs.
I am spider.
I have got 8 legs. I make webs. I am an insect.
I am elephant.
I am very big and heavy animal. I have got a big ears. I have got a very long trunk.
I am parrot. I can talk. I have got a lot of colors in my body. I can fly.
I am bee. I eat flowers. I give honey to people. I can fly.
I'm butterfly.
I was born of a lover. I am very beautiful. I can fly.